Okay, first go into iMovie, and then export everything, of course, which I've already done. And I'm gonna tell you where I got all these really quick. I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, my movie something. And then I'm gonna do that really quick. Okay. And now go to Google, go to Vidivo. I think that's how you say it. Vidivo. Yeah, Vidivo or Vidivo. So this is where I got all my stuff like this, raindrops and super much. And I swear, it won't give you a virus. And if it gives you a virus, that's the most weirdest thing ever because it never gave me a virus. Like, I mean ever. I got this, and then something else. Just tell me if this works, please, because it's such a good thing, and I wanted to teach you guys. So I thought it'd be cool. And that's where you get that, so yeah. So, yeah. And, straight go back. And, so what I'm going to do is Wolves by Selena Gomez. And I'm going to be predicting all this stuff. So, yeah. No. Like, beautiful. Just beautiful. That's the best I can do. And I'm gonna put this on the bottom. No. Okay. And then I have to redo that. Sorry, that was pretty horrible. I mean, pretty dumb. Okay, ready? No. Oh. Okay, ready? No, guys. Dude, just ignore what just happened. Okay, ready? What in the world? Okay. I've been running in the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you. I'm just gonna do that. Make it easier. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this. Saw the dark side of the moon to get to you. And then I'm gonna use this, which I'm gonna use a bunch of copies of because apparently it's just not interacting well. And where it says cutaway, do green screen / blue screen for all of them. And then you see, so cool. Disappear, reappear. So cool. Now I'm probably gonna cut it like right here because I remember it's not like that long. So you're considering it. Then I'm going to do the hearts because I remember she says something like I try to find love in every stranger, trying to do something, and then do the same thing again. Read / blue screen, and then this, and then of course. Wait, what? Okay, and here you go. And then it's like a simple repeat. And then I'm gonna do this. And yeah, then I'm gonna do all my characters except in small versions like this. You'll see what I mean. And then it doesn't have to be perfect. And then, of course, same character. Okay, I'm sorry. That was pretty awkward to me.
Bella. Okay.
Sorry, my mom's here. Oh. And I don't know why, but every time I try to use Quick Player, it goes back here. Sorry, my mom was right there. And, yeah, you see the bunny right there. It's so small. Need to make the bunny's thing blue. And then, of course, okay. First. And then let's see if that worked really quick. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Chillax. Oh yeah. And then I think that's it. So now I'm just going to record the music. Yeah. Okay, here's my final result of Selena Gomez Wolves introduction. It is 47 seconds long. Here we go. Are you joking me? One second. Thank you for watching, and yeah, but it just means so much to me for everyone to watch this. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.